I welcome you all for the discussion on solution of simultaneous equations. So in our previous classes we have considered system of equations and the consistency of the system of equations is discussed there. And in this video, in this class, we are going to consider how to find the solution of system of equations. So we are not going to worry about the consistency part. So given a system of equations, assuming all the system of equations given here are consistent, we will find the solution of that equations using the different methods. So this will be the actual flow of the problems here. So system of equations will be given, that will be an input. Using that we will be going to find the solution. Solution in the set, in the sense, it is a 3 tuple or 4 tuple depending on given system of equations. Now, what are the steps we need to follow to solve problems here? So the first step is, given a system of equation, generally you will be given with a system of 3 equations or 4 equations. So given a system of equations, you have to write the augmented matrix. That is the first step, writing the augmented matrix. And the second step is, reduce the coefficient matrix. See, augmented matrix means it will be of this form, A colon B. So I have to concentrate on this coefficient matrix. We don't worry about matrix of constants, but we worry about coefficient matrix, and we will reduce that to upper triangular form. Upper triangular form is, entries below the diagonal should be reduced to 0. Entries below the diagonal should be reduced to 0. Then third step is, write the equations from the reduced matrix. After reducing the coefficient matrix to upper triangular form, you have to write equations from that. Then find the solution of that system of equations by using back substitution method. So this is the steps you have to, these are the steps you have to follow to find the solution of given system of equations. So next let us consider problems on this. So the common heading of the problem is, solve the following system of equations by Gauss elimination method. I will just write the system of equations. So first one given here is 2x plus y plus z equal to 10, comma 3x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 18, and the third equation is x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 16. Solution. So given 2x plus y plus z equal to 10, comma 3x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 18, comma x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 16. So this is the given system of equation. Then the augmented matrix is A colon B is equal to 2 1 1 colon 10, 3 2 3 colon 18, 1 4 9 colon 16. Okay, this is the augmented matrix of the given system of equations. Now we have to make these 3 entries 0. See, to make these 2 entries 0, you have to use this one, and to make this 0, you have to use this entry. Now to make 3 and 1, you have to reduce these 2 entries to 0. So suitable operations are R2 changes to 2R2 minus 3R1, and R3 changes to 2R3 minus R1. That are the suitable operations. See, here we have 3. Now I have to make it 0, right? But here I have 2. So multiply 2 to this, so that we will get 6. and multiply 3 to this, we'll get 6, then subtract. Similarly, here I have 1 and here I have 2. Either you can multiply 1 by 2 to this, then you get 1, then subtract. Or you can multiply 2 to this, then subtract. So dividing by 2, the first row will leave you fractions. So try to avoid fractions always. So we made R3 changes to 2R3 minus R1. So the augmented matrix will be equivalent to, now onwards I don't write equal sign but equivalent sign. So first row now change to 1 1 colon 10 will be as it is. To 1 1 colon 10 will be as it is. Second row, obviously these 2 will be 0. 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 will be getting 1. So 3 into 2, 6 minus 3. 3. 18 into 2, so 36 minus 3 into 10. 36 minus 30, right? So it will get 6. Now this will be 0. 2 into 4, so 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 you get 7. 9 into 2, so 14, 18. 18 minus 1 you get 17. 16 into 2, 32 minus 10, so it will be 22. Now we have to make this entry 0 using this one. So since we have 1 here, we can apply it easily. So R3 changes to R3 7 is there, so 1 is there, we have to multiply it by 7. 7 R2. So it will be equivalent to, so first row no change, 2 1 1 colon 10. Second row 0 1 3 colon 6. Third row will be having 0. 7 minus 7 0. 17 minus 21. So I get minus 4. And 22 minus 7 into 6. So 42, right? So 22 minus 42. I get minus 20. So now the matrix is reduced to upper triangular form. Now from this we have to write equations, as I said already. So the corresponding equations are see, first equation that will not be changed, it will be as it is, 2x plus y plus z equal to 10. So it will be as it is, no issue with that. Second equation will be y plus 3z equal to 6. Actually it is x into 0 plus y into 1, that we have to do. So the last one, minus 4z will be equal to minus 20. So minus get cancelled, so z will be 5. Substituting that value here, so this is called back substitution. So y plus 3 into 5 equal to 6. So y equal to 15, 6 minus 15, that is y equal to minus 9. Now 2x minus 9 plus 5 equal to 10. So 2x minus 9 plus 5 minus 4 equal to 10. So 2x equal to 14. So x will be 7. So the solution of the equation is, is 7 minus 9 5. The solution of the equation is 7 minus 9 5. So that is the way we actually follow to find the solution of given system of equations. Next, problem B. So problem B on the system of equations given is 2x minus 3y plus z equal to minus 1 comma x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 25 comma 3x minus 4y plus z equal to 2. Solution. So I directly write the augmented matrix just to save time here. So but while writing in examination, I have to write every step properly. So that is most important actually. The augmented matrix is A colon B equal to the first row we have to write is 2 minus 3 1 colon minus 1, second row 1 4 5 colon 25, third row 3 minus 4 1 colon 2. Okay. Now we have to make these two entries 0. We have to use suitable operations. So first one, R2 changes to 2R2 minus R1. Okay, 2R2 minus R1. R3 should change to, see again we got same situation. Here I have 3, I have to make it 6. Just you can take the LCM of these two numbers 2 and 3. So here I should get 6. Then I should make this entry 6. Then subtract R1 from R3. So the operation will be 2R3 minus 3R1. 2R3 minus 3R1. Then this will be, so 2 minus 3 1 colon minus 1. And second 0, actually these two will be 0. 2 into 4, so 8 plus 3 will be getting 11. 8 plus 3 will be getting 11. Next 5 into 2, so 10 minus 1 will get 9 colon 25 into 2, 50 plus 1, so 51. Here minus 4 into 2 we get minus 8, minus into minus plus 3 into 3, 9. So minus 8 plus 9, you get 1. Next 1 into 2, so you get 2, minus 3, so minus 1. Next 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 7. So we got the reduced matrix here. Now we have to make this entry 0 by using this one. So the suitable operation is R3 changes to 11 over 3 minus R2. Instead of dividing this second row by 11, you can multiply 11 to the third row. So first two rows no change. 2 minus 3 1 colon minus 1, 0 11 9 colon 51, 0 0, okay, minus 11, minus 1 into 11, so minus 11, minus 9, so minus 20, and this one 77, so 11 into 7 will be getting 77 minus 51. So 77 minus 51, so we will be getting plus 26. Plus 26. So now the coefficient matrix is reduced to upper triangular form. Thus the corresponding system of equations, the corresponding equations of system of equations are 2x plus minus 3y plus z equal to minus 1, 11y plus 9z equal to 51, and minus 20z equal to 26. So from this you can check that z equal to 26 by minus 26 by 20, that is z will be minus 13 by 10. Z will be minus 13 by 10. Next, back substitution. 11y minus 9 into 13 divided by 10 equal to 51. Now you can simplify and check that it will be actually 57 by 10. So here 2x minus 3 into 57 by 10 minus 13 by 10 equal to minus 1, and you can again simplify this and check that you will be getting x to be 87 by 10. So that is the required solution. Hence the required solution is 87 by 10 comma 57 by 10 comma minus 13 by 10. Next, problem C. So problem C, the given statement is x plus y plus z equal to 9, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 8, 2x plus y minus z equal to 3. Solution. So the augmented matrix is A colon B equal to 1 1 1 colon 9 and 1 minus 2 3 colon 8, 2 1 minus 1 3. Now we have to make these two entries 0, right? So the suitable operations are, so no problem with second row, it is easy. R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus 2R1. R3 minus 2R1. Now this will be equivalent to 1 1 1 colon 9. So 1 minus 1 you get 0, minus 2 minus 1 you get minus 3, 3 minus 1 you get 2, and 8 minus 9 you get minus 1. Again this will be 0, 1 minus 2 you will be getting minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 3 minus 18 minus 15. Now we need to make this 0, so R3 changes to 3R3 minus R2. 3R3 minus R2. So this will be equivalent to, so first two rows no change, 1 1 1 colon 9, 0 minus 3 2 colon minus 1, 0, it will be multiplying 3, minus of minus 3, so minus 3 plus 3 we get 0, minus 3 into 3, so minus 27 minus 2. Okay, is there any wrong? Okay, sorry, minus 3 into 3, right? Sorry, I forget. Minus 3 into 3, so it is minus 9, minus 3 into 3, minus 9, minus 2. So it is actually minus 11, sorry for it. So minus 11 and minus 15 into 3, that is minus 45. Minus 15 into 3 minus 45 plus 1, so minus 44, Yes, now the coefficient matrix is reduced to upper triangular form. You have to write the matrix, equations from this. The corresponding equations are first equation x plus y plus z equal to 9, that is unaltered. Okay, minus 3y plus 2z equal to minus 1 and minus 11z equal to minus 44. So from this we can get z equal to 4. Okay, minus 3y plus 8 equal to minus 1. So equal to minus 8. So minus 9 bರುತ್ತೆ. So minus 9 by minus 3 will be get y equal to 3. And x plus 3 plus 4 equal to 9. So x plus 7 equal to 9. So x equal to 9 minus 7, 2. The required solution is 2, 3, 4. So that is problem C. Next problem D. X plus 2y plus z equal to 7. X plus 3z equal to 11. 2x minus 3y equal to 1. Solution. The augmented matrix is A colon B equal to 1, 2, 1 colon 7, 1, 0, 3 colon 11, 2 minus 3, 0 colon 1. Okay. Now we have to use operations. R2 changes to R2 minus R1, no problem with that. And R3 changes to R3 minus 2R1. R3 changes to R3 minus 2R1. Okay, this will be equivalent to, okay, first row no change, 1, 2, 1 colon 7, that will be as it is. Now 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 11 minus 7, or minus 4. Okay, plus 4 is right, 11 minus 7 is so plus 4. And 2 minus 2, 0, minus 3 minus 4, minus 3 minus 4, so it is minus 7. And 0 minus 2, so it will be minus 2. 1 minus 14, so it will be minus 13. Now I have to apply operations. R3 changes to, same sign means you have to use negative here. So 2 R3 minus 7 R2. 2 R3 minus 7 R2. So first two rows no change. 1, 2, 1 colon 7. 0 minus 2, 2 colon 4. And 0, this will be 0 because 14 minus 14 will get 0. Actually minus 14 plus 14 will get yes. Now multiplying this by 7 and this by 2. Okay, this by 2, this by 2 and this by 7. So we'll be getting minus 4 plus 14. Oh sorry, minus 4 minus 14. So it will be minus 18. Minus 13 into 2, minus 26, minus 7 into 4, minus 28. So it is minus 54. Minus 54. So we got the coefficient matrix in upper triangular form. The corresponding the corresponding equations are x plus 2y plus z equal to 4, 7 is x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, and minus 2z minus 2y plus 2z equal to 4, minus 18z equal to minus 54. So z is equal to 3, right? And minus 2y plus z is substituted for 6 equal to 4. So minus 2, so we will be getting y equal to 1. X plus 2 plus 3 equal to 7, so x equal to 5. 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. The required solution is 2, 1, 3. The next problem E, I think. Problem E. So the given system of equations is 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 18, 2x minus y plus 8z equal to 13, 5x minus 2y plus 7z equal to 20. Solution. So the augmented matrix is A colon B equal to 3, 4, 5 colon 18, 2 minus 1, 8 colon 13, 5 minus 2, 7 colon 20. Okay, now this will be reduced to now the coefficient matrix will be reduced into upper triangular form. So the suitable operations are R2 changes to 3R2 minus 2R1, right? Then here we are using these two letters, right? So multiply 3 to this and 5 to this. R3 changes to 3R3 minus 5R1. This will be equivalent to, so first row no change, 3, 4, 5, 18. Second row operation is 3R2 minus 2R1. So 2 into 3, 6 minus 3 into 2, 6, will get 0. And obviously this will also be 0, no problem about this. Minus 1 into 3, so minus 3 minus 8. Minus 3 minus 8, that will be minus 3 minus 8, right? So we should have minus 11. Minus 3 minus 8. Next 8 into 3, 24. 24 minus 10, so 14. 13 into 3, 13 into 3 will be getting 39 minus 36 will be 3. Okay, that's about second row. Third row, this will be 0. Minus 2 into 3, it will be minus 6 plus 5 into 4, 20, so plus 14. Okay, it is minus 7, right? Yes, again minus 6 minus 5 into 14. No, we don't have minus n again. So yes, it is minus 26, not 14, it is minus 26. Now 7 into 3, that is 21, minus 5 into 5, minus 25. So it is minus 4. 20 into 3, that is 60, minus 5 into 18, so 90. So it will be minus 30. Yes. So you should be very much careful while applying operations. Next, R3 changes to 11 R3 minus 26 R2. So here we get big numbers. Again, we should be very careful. There is no first change in first two rows. So 3, 4, 5, 18. 0, minus 11, 14, 3. 0. Okay. This will be 0 again. Minus 4 into 11, minus 26 into 14. So you can check that it will be minus 408. And again minus 30 into 11, minus 26 into 3. Again it will be minus 408. Thus, the corresponding equations are 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 18, comma, minus 11y plus 14z equal to 3, minus 408z equal to minus 408. So z equal to 1, minus 11y plus 14 equal to 3. So minus 11 again. So y is also equal to, so y is also equal to plus 1. 3x plus 4 plus 5 equal to 18. So 3x will be 9. So x will be 3. The required solution is 3, 1, 1. So there is one more last problem. A, B, C, D, E, F. The given system of equation is x plus 2y plus z equal to 8, 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 20, and 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 16. Solution. The augmented matrix is A colon B equal to 1 2 1 colon 8, 2 3 4 colon 20, 4 3 2 colon 16. Now the operations are R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1, R3 changes to R3 minus 4R1, Now it will be, the matrix is equivalent to 1 2 1 colon 8. There is no change in this. Okay, R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. So 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 4 get minus 1, 4 minus 2 that will be 2, 20 minus 16 will get 4, 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 8 so minus 5, 2 minus 4 will get minus 2, 16 minus 32 also will get minus 16. Now R3 changes to R3 minus 5R2. Okay, that will be equivalent to 1 to 1 colon 8. There is no change in first two rows, right? 0 minus 1 to colon 4. 0 0 R3 minus 2 minus 10, so minus 12 colon minus 16 minus 20 minus 36. So the corresponding equations are x plus 2y plus z equal to 8, minus y plus 2z equal to 4, minus 12z equal to minus 36. So z will be 3, and minus y plus 6 equal to 4, so minus 2, so y will be plus 2. X plus 4 plus 3 equal to 8, 7, so x equal to 1. Thus the required solution is 1, 2, 3. So similarly, you can solve few more problems that are used as exercise. Okay. Exercise. So I'll give two system of equations, A, B, C, D, F. I'll write less G. You can take this one. X plus y plus 9. Okay, x plus y plus z equal to 9. And 2x minus y minus z equal to 0. 2x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 52. And this one, x plus y plus z equal to 9 again. 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 13. 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 40. So try to solve this too. That is discrimination method in the next class.